Today, we're embarking on an epic journey through the mesmerizing realm of investments. Now, before we jump in, I want to emphasize that I'm not a financial advisor. The information shared here is for educational purposes only, and I encourage you to seek professional advice tailored to your unique situation. Your financial success is my top priority. All right, let's get down to business. We'll be exploring different investment types and their awesome perks, as well as the potential pitfalls you should be aware of. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's dive in together. 1. Stocks. Pros. Picture this. You invest in your favorite companies and share in their success. Plus, the potential for high returns can make your financial dreams come true. Cons. But hey, just like life, the stock market can be unpredictable. Be ready for those ups and downs and stay focused on your long-term goals. 2. Bonds. Pros. If you're all about that stability and regular income, bonds are like your financial safety blanket, providing consistent returns. Cons. However, the returns might not be as dazzling as stocks, and there's a slight chance of some bonds not living up to their promises. 3. Real estate. Pros. Get ready to be a real estate mogul. Rental income and property appreciation can boost your bank account and build wealth over time. Cons. But hold on tight. Managing properties and dealing with tenants can be a bit like juggling, so be prepared for the occasional challenges. 4. Mutual funds. Pros. No need to pick individual stocks. Mutual funds are like the superheroes of diversification, spreading your investments across various assets. Cons. But beware of sneaky fees. Some funds might charge a bit more, eating into your hard-earned gains. Keep an eye out. 5. Cryptocurrencies. Pros. Welcome to the thrilling world of crypto. With potential moonshots and blockchain innovation, this ride is full of excitement. Cons. Yet, be cautious, my friends. Crypto can be as wild as a roller coaster, with sharp price swings and security risks to consider. 6. Peer-to-peer. Lending. Pros. Sick of traditional banks? P2P lending lets you become the lender, earning interest on loans to fellow individuals or small businesses. Cons. But keep in mind, not all borrowers play by the rules. There's a small risk of defaults, so diversify your investments wisely. 7. Gold and precious metals. Pros. Glitter like gold. Precious metals can be your knight in shining armor, guarding your wealth during turbulent economic times. Cons. However, they won't generate income like some other investments, and their value can be a bit of a seesaw. There you have it, my fellow explorers. An adventure into the world of investments tailored just for you. Remember, it's essential to understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before setting sail on your investment journey. Keep learning, stay curious, and here's to your financial success. Cheers!